Introduction to Uniswap SDK. The Uniswap SDK is a powerful tool for building decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain. It provides a simple and efficient way to interact with the Uniswap protocol, allowing developers to build complex trading interfaces and other DeFi applications. In this guide, we will explore when to use the Uniswap SDK and how to get started with it. Understanding the Uniswap protocol. Before diving into the SDK, it is essential to understand the Uniswap protocol. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade Ethereum tokens in a trustless and permissionless manner. The protocol uses a unique liquidity pool model, where users can provide liquidity to the pool and earn fees on trades. When to use the Uniswap SDK. The Uniswap SDK is ideal for building applications that require complex trading logic, such as trading bots, arbitrage systems, and decentralized exchanges. It is also useful for building applications that need to interact with the Uniswap protocol, such as wallets and portfolio trackers. Key concepts. To get started with the Uniswap SDK, you need to understand the following key concepts: liquidity pools, trading pairs, and fee tiers. Liquidity pools are the core of the Uniswap protocol, where users provide liquidity to facilitate trades. Trading pairs refer to the specific tokens that can be traded on the platform, such as ETH/DAI. Fee tiers determine the fees that users pay for trades, based on the liquidity pool and trading pair. Practical examples. One practical example of using the Uniswap SDK is building a trading bot that executes trades on the Uniswap protocol. The bot can use the SDK to fetch trading pairs, check liquidity pools, and execute trades. Another example is building a decentralized exchange that uses the Uniswap protocol as a backend, allowing users to trade tokens in a trustless and permissionless manner. Best practices. When using the Uniswap SDK, it is essential to follow best practices, such as handling errors and exceptions, implementing proper security measures, and optimizing for gas costs. You should also keep your application up to date with the latest version of the SDK and the Uniswap protocol. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Uniswap SDK is a powerful tool for building decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain. By understanding the Uniswap protocol, key concepts, and practical examples, you can get started with building complex trading interfaces and other DeFi applications. Remember to follow best practices and keep your application up to date with the latest version of the SDK and the Uniswap protocol. With the Uniswap SDK, you can unlock the full potential of the Uniswap protocol and build innovative decentralized applications.